Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all on this makeup look that you see on my face today. This is my everyday, day-to-day makeup that I use. It's quick, it's easy, it's something that never fails me. And before this video, you guys should have already seen me talking about all my makeup products that I do use. And this video is going to just be you guys watching me apply it, and that's pretty much it. In the previous video, I will have talked about everything that I've used, but if you guys do have any other questions, feel free to let me know down below. It's just going to be putting on my makeup and most likely a voiceover or just some music playing in the background because my daughter's in here with me today. It's a little bit loud, so I just want you guys to just see the makeup in action. But if, like I said, if you guys have any other questions, any other things you would like to see, feel free to let me know down below. And if you want to see me get ready and put this makeup on, just keep watching. video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, if you have any other questions, anything else you would like to see, any products that you want to know a little bit more about, anything you want to watch me do a video a little more in depth about, feel free to leave that down below. Let me know if you guys, anything else you guys would like to see. And yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to this channel if you want to be a part of it, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye.